welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. My name's Alex. This is Alexandria Beauty, and today we recreated one of Ariana Grande's makeup looks in Rain on Me. I'm a huge Ariana Grande fan, so I'm really happy that I did this look. And I hope that you guys enjoy this video. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Without further ado, let's get right into the makeup look. I'm pretty much going to mix all of these shades together around just a little bit. But I'm really going to focus it out here. Okay, and for what I did to create the white, NYX Epic Wear liner. And I'm going to use a Morphe M250-1 brush. It's just a super tiny eyeliner brush. So I'm going to start by creating the white wing that goes out like this. Kind of gauge, I'm going to follow my lower lash line and bring it out. Gauge kind of where I want it, how far out I want it to go. And then I'm also going to start on the crease, the upper crease. So I'm going to try to, I'm going to start with the wing, kind of start on the inner after that, and kind of create that rounded inner corner. And then I'm going to connect the two. When I did the black line, I started just doing the liner here, and then I did the wing. So I'm just going to do that. This is the NYX That's the Point Professional liner. I'm going to do the lower. The awful thing about the lower is my under eye is super wrinkly and it gets all over your lower lashes, and you don't want that there. The black eyeliner I took was the L'Oreal Smoldering Eyeliner. I put this on my waterline, but if there's gaps where my lash line is, I also fill it in there. So lashes that she wore looked more like cat eye, and like the lashes were a little bit more lighter on the inner part. And you could see it kind of more is like winged on the outside. So what I'm going to do is curl my lashes, put on my MAC Giga Black Mascara. I'm going to pop these on. And then I'm gonna probably do some touch-ups on the white because this is definitely a little bit thicker over here. So I'm probably gonna touch up the white, and then we'll wrap up the face in the entire look. So let's contour, and I'm gonna use my ABH palette. This is in the shade Light anyway, the whole palette. So, and I just really honestly just mix all three of them. This is a Morphe E4. So for the nose, I just take the center shade, which is Fawn. It's like a super cool tone, light brown. Cut my contour and bake with some Laura Mercier translucent powder. Basically, once I'm done doing the other side, I wipe it off. I don't keep it on long, just putting it there like that helps. So I take my Morphe JH02. This is my favorite bronzer brush. I have 3 of them. So I'm just using my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. But I just go kind of a little bit above where the contour was and below. This is just bringing warmth to the face. Apple of my cheek. I really just go all over the face. This is MAC's Mineralized Blush in Gentle. I love this blush. And I just put this on the apples of my cheeks. I put a little on the nose, the tip of the nose, and then the chin. I just like to add more warmth to the face. This is Snowflake Loose Highlighter by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I think that this is just going to be super pretty for this look. Before I do lips, I'm going to spray my face. This is the Morphe Luminous Setting Spray. Just recently got this from Ulta. I am really liking it. This smells friggin' amazing. I don't even know how to describe it. It just smells so yummy. This is Ulta Beauty Lip Liner in Nude Pink. This lipstick is Blushing Bud by Maybelline. I'm just gonna pat with my finger to kind of blend the lipstick and the liner. Use Damn Gina lip gloss from the Kylie Cosmetics Cocoa collection. So this is the completed look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. This was super fun for me to make, actually kind of stressful. If you guys like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Definitely please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate your support. If you guys have any requests, don't forget to comment them in the comment section down below. But before you get to the comment section, look in the description box for the links to my social medias. I post on TikTok pretty much every day, so definitely check that out. And my Instagram, very active on there too, so check out my social medias and follow me. I want to thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video, and hopefully I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
I see it, I want it, I